Yo, hey, what poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Young KD as always. And today I'm gonna be giving y'all a couple tips just to get better quality on Bandlab. Hey, and these are simple tips, but they really will enhance your sound if you use these tips right. Hey, so y'all stay tuned, y'all don't wanna miss anything. One of the big tips I would have to say is using a pop filter while recording. Hey, and for me, pop filters are very important because without it, you will hear a lot of air coming through your P's and your B's. Like you will really hear the air coming through, you know what I'm saying? The pop filter really stops those plosives, it stops the air. And plosives are just the loud P's and B's. It sounds like it's just breaking through your microphone. And you don't want that because it can destroy your mix. So a pop filter would definitely help. Even a phone windscreen. And I actually use both. I use a phone windscreen and a pop filter just to kind of get rid of that air more. But using a pop filter would definitely make your vocal sound a lot better and way more professional. Any professional studio you go to, they will have a pop filter over the microphone. So that should tell you a whole lot. Another huge tip, man, and I hate seeing it and I hate hearing it done wrong. You got to pay attention to your levels, man. If you look down at the bottom right here on the master or whatever you want to call it, you don't want to get in the red. You do not want this to hit the red because that means you are distorting and your audio will sound distorted. So just turn down things until you get healthy levels, and you want to leave a little bit of space. You don't want it to be all the way close to the red, even if it's not red. You want to leave a little bit of headroom. Headroom is basically just room for mastering the work. Hey, don't focus on getting the mix super loud because once you master it, it'll get louder. All right, I already told y'all this once, but I'm going to say it again so y'all know I'm serious. Don't record in a big echoey room with a lot of noise and a lot of reverb. Even if you got to, man, record under a cover. Y'all probably think I'm capping, but I'm recording under a cover right now in a loud, noisy room. And I bet you can't hear too much because I'm using noise suppression AI too. You just gotta know the tools to use to make your audio sound better, man. I promise, once you got all that extra noise out of your recordings will sound pro off rip without any processing. Yeah, man, so the last tip I'm gonna give y'all is to use presets as a head start. I got tons of presets on my channel. Y'all can just tweak them up to y'all taste to make it sound better because 9 times out of 10 it's not gonna sound perfect off rip. The whole goal of presets is to speed up y'all workflow, and that's really what presets do. You can just pop it on, and it will sound better than the raw vocals, but you might gotta make a few adjustments to the EQ, the compression maybe the reverb, but the preset will save you a whole lot of time. All you gotta do is just make slight tweaks to it. Hey man, I don't wanna make this video too long and complicated. That's just a few tips to make y'all audio sound better on Bandlab. If this helped y'all out, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment what videos y'all want next. Comment what presets. I'm gonna try to get more videos out soon, man. Thanks for all the support. I'll see y'all next time.